What's up guys, today we're going to be checking out the Leadjoy. This is the M1B. It's a mobile gaming controller for iPhone. I want to go ahead and thank them for sending this out and sponsoring this video. Very cool little product here, and let's go ahead and just check it out. So it's 70 bucks on Amazon. You save $15 right now with a coupon. That link will be down below. And you can see 5 million clicks, mechanical buttons on here. You can capture video and screenshots as well with the dedicated button. And then it also supports cloud gaming and remote play. And then you can also do emulators on this as well. The 3DS emulator exclusively supports it. And then you also can play pretty much any game that is compatible with a controller on iOS. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. So pretty cool product for mobile gamers, because it is pretty hard to play games on a touchscreen sometimes, depending on what game it is, especially like shooting games. So it just tells you how to install. You have your rubber cushion right here. So we'll get this all set up, and this should be alright. We got a USB type C, and then here is our controller here. So it'll go in like that, and first impressions, buttons feel really good, analog, and it's pretty lightweight as well too, which is really nice. It's not super heavy as well. It's got a little bit of a texture on the back here, and the buttons feel really good, very clicky buttons. So let's go ahead and set it up and see what it's all about. Alright guys, so I got it all set up, and I'll show you how to install. It's pretty easy. You just pull it apart and you just stick it in there basically, and that little rubber piece that comes with it you put right here, so you get a nice firm grip. You want it to go in like that so it doesn't fall out. It's very firm. And yeah, so the controller feels really good, guys. It does make a difference. It feels almost like a little PSP now. And if you're somebody that hates touchscreen controls, or you wanted to get into mobile gaming but you don't like the controls, this is pretty good, because the buttons and everything are very nice feeling, and there's pretty much no latency as well too, so everything is super accurate. And then we all have our button layout as well. Screenshot, our menu button, we got our home button that will bring us to Game Center as well too. Pull up the map right here. Our triggers, all of it feels pretty good. So, and like I said, it was very easy to set up. I basically just plugged it in, so there was no, there was no like complicated setup with this. That's that. Yeah guys, I think this is, if you're like into mobile gaming, this makes a big difference, guys. Oh wow. Also guys, this does support the 3DS emulator on here, and it's very cool. It works really well, and that's one thing that I really like about this thing so far. Is just, it works flawlessly. I didn't have to assign any buttons or set anything up. Everything automatically started working. So that's pretty cool as well. Like I said, I really like it. Very light, and the buttons are really clicky, and everything works as advertised. So very impressed with this. Everything was such a smooth experience, and yeah guys, I think it's a pretty good deal for the price. So that is pretty much it. Be sure to let me know what you guys think down below. And again, this application is Egg 3DS. If you guys want to check it out, it's pretty cool. And let me know what you guys think.